In this video, we're going to be upgrading the LED bulbs on this Chevy Colorado. This should be the same from 2015 to 2022. It should be the same for a GMC Canyon as well. The factory low beam bulbs are not very bright, so we're going to be upgrading to LED bulbs. I've used this brand for several years without any issue. In fact, I've installed quite a few of these and not a single one has ever burned out. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start on the driver's side. So if you just locate your window washer fluid reservoir, right to the left of that, you'll see this dust cap right here. That's your high beam. But we're going to be changing the low beam, which is this dust cap right here. So to remove the dust cap, you're going to rotate it to the left or counterclockwise. And you only need to turn it about 1/4 of a turn and it should come right off. So with the dust cover removed, that's going to reveal your headlight bulb right there. You need to remove the wire harness. So right down here at the bottom where my finger is, there's a little black tab and I'm pushing it in right now. So you're going to push in on that little black tab right there. And then all you got to do is pull straight down and it will come right off. Now to remove the light, we're going to turn it to the left about 1/4 of a turn. And just pull it straight out. And there you can see those grooves inside. So whenever you install your light, it does go in a certain way. So if you're trying to force it in, you're probably just not lining up the tabs with the grooves. So when you insert your new bulb, you're going to rotate it a little bit till it kind of fits into place. Those tabs should line up right there. So if you notice where the wire harness is going to plug in, this is kind of the 5 o'clock position. And then you're just going to kind of push in, rotate down, and it should be basically straight up and down when it's locked into place. And take our wire harness, get it lined up. Don't just push on, I like to squeeze it together. And then you'll hear it lock into place. Just give it a little pull. And now we know that the bulb and the harness is locked in place. Now we're going to install the dust cover. So if you look at the GM logo, you'll see that it's also at about the 5 o'clock position. So you're just going to push in, rotate it to the right or clockwise. Now the GM logo should be straight up and down. Just give it a little pull. And now we know the dust cover is completely on and locked in place. Here on the passenger side, you'll see that there's a cover and we have a hose to deal with. We're going to remove all that. And then we just got a couple little pop rivets, like you'll see one like this right here, to take out. And then we can pull this cover back. So first we can remove this hose. It's just held in by some zip tie retainers. Just pull them straight out like that. And then there's one over here. And then I just kind of flip that hose over and around the air box so it's tucked up back in there and out of our way. And now to remove these little plastic pop rivets, just take a small flat blade screwdriver, kind of pop it up like that. You don't have to totally remove them, but it is a little easier. Then I just take a needle nose plier and pop them straight out. So we have 3 of them along this area right here. And then up front here, there's another hidden one right there. So there's 4 of these plastic pop rivets we need to remove. All right, so I've got this one out, one right here, and then I have that one right there out. That will allow us to pull this back. All right, so I've got this piece lifted up and out of the way. That allows me to pull this cover back. And I'm just using a simple bungee cord to hold this out of the way. Now if you come around here to the side, I can clearly get my hand in here and remove the dust cover. I'm going to rotate it to the left and pull it straight out. All right, and right there is the low beam bulb. So once again, you're going to push down on that tab and pull off that wire harness. Once you got that out of the way, rotate that bulb to the left, pull it out. Push in your new bulb where this harness is about 5 o'clock. Push in and rotate at the same time. Give it a little tug, make sure it's not going to come out. Get the harness lined up with the new bulb. Squeeze it together. Give that a little tug to make sure that doesn't come off. Install the dust cover. GM logo should be about straight up and down. Give that a little tug. Passenger side's all done. Now we can go ahead and unhook that bungee cord. Now we can just put all these pop fasteners back in. Just push them straight down. There's 3 along that side. And then we have this hidden one right under here. Pop that guy back in place. Put our hose back in place. One there. One there. And that's it, guys. That's all there is to it. Congratulate yourself on doing this all on your own. You didn't have to take it to a dealership. Hope you guys enjoyed this step-by-step video. I'll put links in the description down below. And thanks for watching.